How to factory reset a Hisense TV 5 methods for any model. With the remote, open Settings, then System and Reset to Default. Each platform, VIDAA, Roku, Google TV, Fire has its own path. No remote? Use the physical buttons on the back of the TV. Try a power cycle first. A factory reset wipes everything. Power cycle first, then reset. Full guide on SmartTVs.org.